Chug, chug, chug goes the color train, rolling along through sun and rain. Hop on board and sing with me. What colorful things will we see? Red, red, red on the train today. Red apples smile and wave our way. Chug along and shout hooray. The color train is on its way. Orange, orange, bright and round. Orange pumpkins all around. Rolling, rolling down the track. The color train is coming back. Orange, orange, what a sight, shining in the morning light. Chug along and shout hooray. The color train is on its way. Yellow, yellow, shining bright. Yellow stars and sunshine light. Clap your hands and sing along. Join the happy color song. Green, green, what do we see? Green frogs jumping happily. Jump with them from side to side. On the color train we ride. Blue, blue up in the sky. Bluebirds flying way up high. Wave hello as they fly by. On our colorful journey ride. Purple, purple, big and small. Purple flowers for us all. Smell the flowers, laugh and play. The color train rolls on today. Red and orange, yellow too. Green and purple, bright blue too. So many colors, what a fun sight. Making our world happy and bright. Chug, chug, chug goes the color train, rolling through sunshine after rain. Wave goodbye and sing with glee. Come ride the color train with me. Good, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple to be seen. See you next time, friends, hooray. The color train has rolled